Hello students, topic is refraction through curved surface. Actually light object is two type, point object and extended object. For the image formation, we should take only two rays. One rays strike normal to the surface and other rays strike near to the first rays. Actually this is a denser medium, is a glass, this is a rarer medium, is the air. Draw the normal, it meet at the center of curvature of the curved surface. Light bends toward the normal and these two rays will meet at the point I. So the image of the object will form at this point I. Let the angle is alpha, this angle is alpha, this angle is gamma, this angle is beta. Object distance from the pole is u, image distance is the v, and center distance from the pole is the r. And we know that distance always measure from the pole. There is three tricks for this derivation, important derivation. Step 1, using Snell's law because refraction occurs. Step 2, and find out the value of I1 and I2. I1 and I2 means angle I and R in terms of alpha, beta and gamma. Step 2, frame the equation in terms of alpha, beta and gamma. Step 3, find the value of alpha, beta, gamma in terms of u, b and r. Put this in result and you will get your final result. Now, using step number 1, using Snell's law, mu1 sin I1 is equal to mu2 sin I2. Aperture is suppose very small, so angle is very small. So sin theta we can write theta. So the result will get mu1 I1 is equal to mu2 I2. Yeah, mu1 I is equal to mu2 R because I1 is equal to I, I2 is equal to R. Now step 2, find the value of I and R in terms of alpha, beta and gamma from the triangle. From the triangle of the figure, I is equal to alpha plus gamma and gamma is equal to beta plus R. Gamma is equal to beta plus R in triangle ACI. Okay, this is exterior angle. Put the value of I and R and arrange the one side. After that, we will get here the result mu2 beta plus mu1 alpha is equal to mu2 minus mu1 gamma. Let it equation number 3. What is the mu1, mu2? mu1 is the refractive index for the first medium and mu2 is the refractive index for the second medium, I mean glass here. Whatever we glass, it can be anything. Step 3, draw the perpendicular from A on the principal axis. Let this is a height is h in triangle OAM. Angle is very small, we can write alpha is equal to tan alpha. Tan means perpendicular upon base, AM upon MO. AM is equal to, MO is equal to almost OP. This is H, AM and OP distance measured from the pole against the ray, it become negative is a U. Similarly, the value of beta and value of gamma, H upon B and H upon R, put in equation number 3. We will get here the result mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon U is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon R. This is the required result and this result is valid for any type of the refraction, either plane or curve.